You know how sometimes you're working on a project and you need a tool that can do more than just poke a hole? That's where the chisel awl comes in. A chisel awl is a small hand tool with a pointed or chisel style metal tip, and it's useful for marking, starting holes, scraping, prying, lining things up, or helping remove small clips and pins. It's one of those tools that looks simple, but once you have it in your toolbox, you start finding all kinds of uses for it. What I like about a chisel awl is the control it gives you. Instead of trying to use a screwdriver for everything and risking damage, this tool lets you work more precisely. You can use it for DIY repairs, automotive projects, woodworking, leather work, small equipment repairs, and even jobs like helping line up a cotter pin hole on a dolly or hand truck wheel. People want this tool because it helps with those small, frustrating tasks where your fingers are too big, the space is too tight, or the part just needs a little help getting lined up or loosened. I recommend it because it's affordable, practical, and easy to keep nearby. It doesn't take up much space, but it can save you time and frustration when you're working on repairs around the house, in the garage, or on small equipment. For DIYers, homeowners, mechanics, or anyone who likes fixing things themselves, a chisel awl is one of those simple tools that earns its place in the toolbox.